Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Holden Colorado, stock number 7095. It's ran from November 2013 to December 2016. It's an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, some sun cracks, rear tailgate 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door 1 dent, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.